Hey Ideaplex crew, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech innovations shaping our creative world. Today we're exploring a platform that's shaking up the 3D animation game anything world. Whether you're a game developer, advertiser or architect, this AI-powered tool promises to bring your 3D models to life in ways you've never imagined. So stick around as we break down its key features, target audience, and why it might just be the next must-have in your creative toolkit. Let's kick things off with a quick overview. Anything World is an AI-driven platform designed to simplify the process of creating and animating 3D models. The idea here is simple yet powerful. Take your static 3D models, upload them, and watch as Anything World transforms them into fully rigged, animated characters or objects ready to be dropped into your projects. Whether you're working on an immersive game environment, an interactive ad, or even a detailed architectural visualization, this platform promises to streamline your workflow with automated rigging and an extensive library of ready-to-use models. And the best part, it's all done in real time, which is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. At the core of Anything World lies an artificial intelligence capable of crafting intricate characters with unparalleled speed and precision. A vast array of parameters is at your disposal, from anatomical structure to facial features, allowing for limitless customization. Real-time rendering is the cornerstone of this platform. Observe as complex scenes are brought to life instantaneously. No longer are creators bound by the constraints of render times. Iterations and refinements become a seamless process. A repository of digital assets, meticulously curated, awaits your exploration. From environments to props, the library is a treasure trove for the aspiring creator. These elements can be seamlessly integrated into your projects, accelerating the creative process. Anything World is more than a tool, it is a collaborator, an enhancer of artistic vision. It democratizes the creation of three-dimensional worlds, making them accessible to all. Anything World is a digital realm where imagination manifests in 3 dimensions. You can control entire virtual worlds using just your voice or text commands. And the best part, it integrates seamlessly with Unity and Unreal Engine through dedicated SDKs. Real-time animation and control are also key highlights. Whether you're looking to animate a character, create a complex scene, or even generate interactive environments, Anything World handles it with ease. So who exactly is Anything World for? The platform is a dream come true for game developers. With tools like automated rigging and vast model libraries, you can create complex game environments and characters faster than ever. But it doesn't stop there. Advertisers looking to craft engaging, interactive ads can tap into this toolset to create stunning visuals that captivate audiences. And for architects, Anything World offers a dynamic way to visualize and present architectural designs, bringing a new level of interactivity to your presentations. What's really exciting about Anything World is how it's paving the way for the future of 3D creation. As AI continues to evolve, tools like this will become more intuitive, more powerful, and more accessible, breaking down the barriers that have traditionally kept 3D content creation in the hands of a few. This is just the beginning, and it's incredible to think about where platforms like Anything World could take us in the next few years. Whether it's for gaming, VR, art, or even digital art, the possibilities are endless. So let me sign up using Google. Now let's dive into what makes Anything World stand out. First up, the platform's automated rigging feature. Imagine taking a static 3D model and, with a few clicks, having it fully rigged and animated. No more painstaking manual rigging, just quick, efficient, and ready to go. Perfect for when you're racing against the clock. In conclusion, Anything World is a groundbreaking tool reshaping the landscape of 3D creation. It is a platform that merges human creativity with artificial intelligence, producing extraordinary results. We encourage viewers to explore this digital frontier and unlock their creative potential. So is Anything World the ultimate tool for 3D creators? It's definitely one to watch. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, it offers a level of creative freedom that's hard to beat. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Ideaplex for more tech insights, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a tool you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.